Hey there, we have our Bose Soundlink Micro and want to connect and pair it with our Android device and smartphones. So in this video, you will see how to pair and connect it with one or multiple Android devices at the same time. Now just after it's out of the box, first you need to power it. Now for that, you need to put it on charge with this micro USB cable that came with it, until you see at least 2 charging LED. After that, just unplug it, and then short press once on this power button.
Battery 40%.
You will hear a voice prompt of the battery percentage, and since it's not connected to any device yet, it will go straight into pairing mode with another voice prompt and a blue pulsing LED. On your Android phone, whatever phone you're using, from settings, you need to go to Bluetooth, make sure it's turned on. When the device's name pops up in the available devices list, just tap on it to pair. And if you're getting any pairing pop-up, just confirm this process. You'll get a voice prompt soon as you connect with your Android phone.
Connected to.
Now, you can pair it to another device even when your Soundlink is active on the previous one. All you have to do is just press and hold this Bluetooth button for 3 seconds.
Ready to connect another device.
It will get into pairing mode with a voice prompt. You can use it as an audio output for both the devices by switching between them without disconnecting from another. But at the same time, maximum 2 devices can be connected. If you take your Bluetooth speaker into pairing mode for the 3rd device, while getting into pairing mode, it'll be disconnected from the previous 2 devices.
Ready to connect another device. Disconnected.
In addition to that, you can download the Bose Connect App on your Play Store. You can set up your Bluetooth speaker with this app for further customization as you want. Whenever you feel like, you can turn it off by pressing once on the power button. And when you turn it on by the same button, it'll be automatically reconnected to the last device or devices it was paired to. And that's all. Let us know your Bose experience in the comment section. Thanks for watching.